Good morning, everyone. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and address a comment that I got on my Feminism for Dummies video yesterday. A YouTube user by the name of Guy Does Fallout addressed me in the comments asking me, what is feminism doing for the fact women have more rights and privileges than men? Why does now oppose shared custody for fathers? Why did feminists shut down men's rights talks? Why do feminists oppose men's spaces and help shelters? Feminism is not synonymous with equality, nor does it claim a monopoly on the concept. Now, just really quick, I'm going to say right now that I'm going to probably address each of these questions in 3 separate videos just because they're so in depth that they kind of need the time. And I don't like to go over on my talks because I tend to ramble. Now, addressing the thing of women have more rights and privileges than men, we actually don't. Now, if we're speaking of actual legal rights, we really don't. We don't have as many rights as men do. First and foremost, you cannot deny that women are being paid 70 cents on the dollar to every man in the same positions. You cannot deny that women are not given proper consideration with regards to their health when it comes to on the job, medical leave. You cannot deny that, women's rights with regards to the decision to move forward with a pregnancy or not are currently in question. And you cannot deny that birth control is certainly a very hot button topic in politics at the moment. Now, I don't claim to know everything there is to know about politics. In case you missed my welcome video, I'm just going to address this real quick. I'm a mother of 6, so a lot of my time is spent taking care of my children. A lot of time is spent, helping my husband with our online business and taking care of our family. So I'm not a very in-depth reader of politics. I'm just a mom. I'm a mom who writes books. So, coming at me with a question such as, how can you say that when women have more rights than men and everybody knows it? No, not everybody knows it. And actually, it's not true. That's why not everybody knows it. Now, with regards to what now is actually doing with regards to the whole custodial thing, it's not that they're trying to bar men as a whole from having um, equal access to their children. This is actually from the Now website. There's a national crisis for women and their children in the family law courts of this country, blah, 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 affirmed by experts, yada, yada. Is verified by women in every state who report injustice in their family law cases, especially battered mothers trying to protect their children from abusive fathers who aggressively litigate against them using family court to stalk, harass, punish, and impoverish the former partners and children. Now, this is an actual thing. I've actually seen this happen. I've actually been subjected to it myself. They are not trying to ban fathers as a whole from having access to their children or even from having equal custody or equal anything. What they are doing is they're trying to bar abusive fathers from having equal access to the children. And it's not even just abusive fathers. See, what you don't understand is any legislation that actually goes through, while it may have been instigated with women in mind, it will actually benefit both males and females as a whole because that's just the way that litigation works. They can't, separate out based on gender. Now, this is a thing though, and we understand that there are women that will batter their husbands and then take the kids away. There's also an issue with regards to what actual shared custody means. There are legal definitions that I don't think everybody is aware of, and I'll address that in a future video, probably later on today after my first 3. What you need to understand is that that is not Now's intention. They didn't say all fathers should not have access to their children, just abusive. And yes, they do specify with regards to males, but that's because that is what we know. That's the area we are aware of. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off now, and I'll address your next question in the next video. Thank you.